The general library contains the entities provided with the software. You have countless entities available in all new projects. With materials and colors. Various types of material layers and sections. Panels and railing models. You have 3D models for interior and exterior furniture. Entities contained in the general library can't be edited. Even use object types, such as gratings, windows, etc., to define other objects. Access the libraries to choose a model. All objects selected from the general library. Are copied to the project library. Access the project library to modify a model.